Welcome to PrimePay. Learn your step-by-step process as a transaction checker and authorizer in this tutorial. When a transaction request is placed by the maker, the selected checker logs into PrimePay and clicks on Checker Activity. Select the requested transaction and after necessary verification, if no correction is required, click on the Checked Selected Item button. If the transaction requires any correction, click Reject Selected Item to cancel the transaction. Once the transaction is successfully verified by the checker, the authorizer steps begin. The authorizer logs into PrimePay and from the dashboard opens Transfer All Module Authorization under Transaction for Authorization. Then click on Authorize Activity. After verification, click Authorize Selected Item. If there is any issue with the transaction, click Reject Selected Item to cancel it. This is how you can easily manage all your business transactions through PrimePay.